Apex Instruments encourages you to use or perform any maintenance on this equipment safely. In this video, we may show an icon that conveys a safety hazard or risk that is associated with the operations performed. Be mindful of inherent hazards such as pinch points, sharp objects, or shock injuries.
Hey, I'm Joe Thompson with Apex Instruments Technical Service Group. I'm going to show you how to access and connect your console to the software. Connect your USB cable to the XD-502 data port slot and into your laptop or PC. Ensure your USB cable is connected to your laptop or PC and into the data port on the front of your XD-502 console. Once you have done this, you can click on the COM tab in the upper left portion of your 502 software and then click on USB. This may take a few times. Once you see information start to pull over, you're now connected to the software. To disconnect from the software, just simply press on the Disconnect tab in the upper left portion of your screen. When everything is grayed out, that means you are now disconnected from your XD502 console.